We had 13 eggs. The first 2 did not make it, but the remaining 11 eggs made it. 100% hatch rate from our incubator. This baby duck is about 3 days late to the party, and you can see the size difference from a newborn duckling and a 2 and 3 year old duckling. They grow so fast. This little guy doesn't know what's going on. He's just watching the other birds and seeing, what am I supposed to be doing here? Am I supposed to be drinking or eating, or what's going on? Anyway, he's gonna learn the ropes a little bit, watch his elders, and yeah, here we are, 11 ducklings added to our homestead. This is gonna be interesting.